All right. Let's see. Can we miss each other again? One guy dropped his lunch bag on that one. Well, we go in the same direction. What do you think? Nah, I'm not going with you. I'm going this way. Down in the bootleg turn. And around the other way again. He almost got one that goes that way. Oh, around we go. Wait, let's go around. Well, we might as well go all the way around again. Yeah, I had to turn around because I couldn't see where I was going. I get a little worried when they're pointing right at each other. This is called reversal. Yeehaw! He turns around, looks at you, and gives you all kind of rude gestures. All right, that's enough. I have to go now. That has got to be the coolest maneuver I've seen in a long while. Can you imagine how many fenders they did it up for? Reverse. And let's do it again right there. In case you missed it, there it is again. Let's not have a collision here, guys. All right. Turn them toward the crowd so we can see the front of them, would you? Ladies and gentlemen, how about it for the SAAB Performance